Let's continue with mollusca. Students, one thing more in body cavity, right on coelom is restricted to pericardial cavity. Okay. Restricted to pericardial cavity. Pericardial cavity means, students, space around the heart. Okay. So radula, understood, it is important, radula. Next is blood vascular, and hemocele is found in all other spaces. One thing more to okay. All other areas. One more, students, see the diagram of mantle and foot. This is mantle, this is foot. Mantle, this is foot. Okay. Tissues produce CaCO3 shell. Cavities between mantle and visceral mass. मेंटल कैविटी किसके बीच में पाया जाता है? मेंटल एंड विजुअल मास. ओके. So blood vascular system, it is open type, and very important features is that it contains blood is blue color. Why? It is because of presence of blue respiratory pigment. Blood is blue. Why it is blue? Because of presence of presence of blue respiratory pigment. Called hemocyanin. डॉर्सल हार्ट भी होता है, आर्टरीज भी होते हैं. ओके. इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स डॉर्सल हार्ट एंड आर्टरीज. नेक्स्ट इज रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स. It includes gills, which is known as ctenidia, okay, and pulmonary sac. In semi-terrestrial form, okay, pulmonary sac in so see gills, ctenidia. Excretory organs. What are excretory organs? One or two pairs of sac-like kidney. sac-like kidney. Gills also function. Gills are also excretory in function. Okay, and what are their waste, excretory waste? Ammonia, अमोनोटेलिक इन एक्वेटिक फॉर्म, जो एक्वेटिक फॉर्म है वो अमोनिया एक्सक्रीट करते हैं. अमोनोटेलिक, यूरोटोलिक एंड यूरिकोटेलिक. एंड यूरिकोटेलिक, दैट इज यूरिया. यूरिया इन टेरेस्ट्रियल फॉर्म. Next is nervous system. Ganglia, it consists of ganglia plus nerves. Next is sense organ. The most important is osphradium. So osphradium is present in some mollusks for testing chemical and physical nature of water. Okay, it is important. What is the function of osphradium? Taste. Okay, for testing chemical and physical nature of water. And next is come to reproduction, last one. Sexes are generally separate. But some are hermaphrodite. Okay, and they are oviparous. And the development is either direct, indirect, both. Okay, development is direct or indirect. Okay, when development is indirect, it includes a characteristic of larva. जब development indirect होता है तो larva के characteristic show होते हैं, जैसे कि ट्रोकोफोर larva और Glaucidium. And asexual reproduction absent. Asexual reproduction is absent. So students, all these are all about mollusc we have discussed. Okay, and one more thing, Neopilina we will discuss. What is let me write where. It is connected link between Annelida and mollusca. For example, last time we have discussed Peripatus, okay, which is a connected link between arthropod and Annelida. Is this case Neopilina. So students, we have discussed about mollusca. Okay, Pila is also known as apple snail. And one more thing, the mouth or aperture of the shell is closed by a flat and oval plate, that is operculum. Radula is important. Aspergillum, radula and aspergillum, these two things are very important. This, okay, hemocyanin is important, gills stenidia is important. Okay, so and one more, say octopus is known as devil fish. Okay, it how it kills its prey. octopus जो है अपने prey को कैसे kill करता है? with poisonous saliva. And also octopus ejects inky fluid in water so that it can protect from its enemy. अपने आप को enemy से protect करते हैं. And largest living invertebrate is giant squid, having largest